Williamson with leadinglandlord.com. I want to share with you the tale of two sisters, and this is to illustrate the time freedom that you can get with short-term rentals. Now, these sisters were Allie and Helen. They were very competitive sisters, and even though they bought a duplex together, they wanted to see which one could earn more money per year. They both ran them each half of their duplex as a short-term rental. So Allie ran her side as extended stay rental, and Helen was trying to be a super host, and she ran hers as a normal Airbnb short-term rental. So Helen was doing great. She started off, and her net income looked like this. You can see in January her net income was a little bit slow, but it picked up as the spring came on. And in June, she had this huge month, nearly hit netting $900, and then it kind of tapered off as the season went down, and she had some tough months in November, December. She wasn't happy about that. But when in June, she was pretty proud of that. She was telling her friends about it. She even thought about writing an online course to teach other people how to do just that. So over the course of the year, 12 months, her average was $520 per month. Now, Allie, she decided to write her half of the duplex as an extended stay rental. She had a 3-month and a 6-month and another 3-month rental, so she had 3 clients over the course of a year, and it wasn't so exciting. She knew what she could expect month to month, and she had time to line up her next client. And she had some dips in April when she was letting that first client go and getting ready for the next one. And same thing with October, she had a little dip. But overall, she knew what was coming in. It wasn't that exciting, and it was a steady business customers throughout the month. Over the course of a year, she made $560 a month. She had much more steady income. So Helen, again, she has some ups and downs. She has some exciting times. She has some great tourists come in, and she met a lot of wonderful people and made a lot of friends. And she did really, really well. She did $520 per month. But the thing is, she had a lot of stress going along with that. She had people, she had to stay up and make sure that they got in okay, and make sure they knew how to work the television remotes and all those things. So all the coordinating of the cleaners and the coming and goings of the guests, exchanging emails and Airbnb notifications was a little stressful. Now, Allie, she made nearly the same amount of money, actually a little bit more, and she didn't have all that stress. She talked to 3 people over the course of the year and had plenty of time to line them up. And overall, she really enjoyed the experience. And that's what I wanted to share with you. A lot of people want financial freedom so they can have control over their time. And short-term rentals is a great way to help you get that financial income. But if you're operating in a short-term mode, short, and trying to be a super host, you can fry yourself out. And most people, they let it go in 2 years. They decided to stop this, especially if they're cleaning their own unit and dealing with a lot of guests. They just burn out. Extended stays allows you to have control over your time and more time freedom, as well as more cash flow. It's a very efficient way to run a business. Now, if you want to be an Airbnb host, absolutely, you're going to have a wonderful experience. If you want to run a short-term rental business, you're going to make more net income, you're going to have more time freedom, and you can actually stack that business and scale that business up. And if you want to learn more about how to operate in an extended stay mode, then click on the link below.